Hello, my name's Sally from Natural Spa Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how to make up the permanent hair removal kit so that I can carry on the treatment on my legs. And because it's such a beautiful day today, I'm not going to stand indoors telling you all about it. Zoe, my customer service agent, is going to take me to a mystery location. So I hope that you'll come along with me and that you'll enjoy the whole experience and find it really useful. And each leg needs 1 teaspoon of Thanaka powder and 2 teaspoons of oil. Or more accurately, I should say 5 mils of Thanaka powder for each leg and 10 mils of oil for each leg. Now it's going to be very difficult to get accurate volumetric measurements using a regular teaspoon. So I'm going to use a proper 5 mil measuring spoon. And this is what I'd recommend you use. So to get the accurate measurements, level off the spoon, one for one leg, another for the second leg, and then we can add the oil. So there'll be 4 of these. You can mix those together. There we go. So I'm not quite sure where we are, somewhere in Norfolk, but isn't it lovely? Shall we stop here? It's rather nice, isn't it? A lot of people do suffer from unwanted body hair. It could be on the face, it could be on the legs, bikini line, anywhere on the body. And conventional treatments aren't that great. Waxing and shaving need to be repeated. Waxing can be quite painful. Electrolysis and laser treatments are expensive and they can go wrong. Depillatory creams are full of chemicals and they're bad for the skin and they're bad for the environment and come packed in plastics. At Natural Spa Supplies we've managed to source a traditional treatment that's been used for hundreds of years. It uses completely natural products, it's plastic free, it's painless, and most of all, it's permanent. We've put together a natural and traditional way of removing body hair permanently, and we sell it as a kit in 3 different sizes depending on which sort of part of the body you're working on. And what it actually is, it's this tree log from the Thanaka tree that we've had ground down very finely, and then we supply an organic safflower oil, and it's a special type of safflower oil which really goes into the skin nicely, and it helps to bring this mixture right down to the hair follicles where it impairs the function of the hair follicles. And basically what happens, you start using it and gradually the hairs become finer, thinner, and eventually they stop growing. So it's really very simple. You need to make the mixture fresh every day and you need to rub it in every day. If you haven't got much time, just do 5 minutes a day. But if you want to get faster results, rub it in, massage it in for 20 minutes a day. So I started on this leg first and then started introducing it to this leg. So I have had some hair reduction on this leg, and I'm beginning to get hair reduction on this leg. So I'm going to carry on and do both legs today, and it's just a question of just massaging it in. Put it on both legs. And I really don't mind doing this here. It's absolutely idyllic. I wish you could be here with me. You can help speed up the process by using this mixture in combination with your conventional hair removal techniques, but especially plucking and threading and waxing, because what you're doing when you're plucking, threading or waxing is you're removing the hair from the follicle and you're exposing the empty follicle to this mixture, and yes, it's going to impair the follicle much more quickly that way. So you do need to be patient and determined when you're using this process. If you have to skip a day or two, don't panic, because when you resume, the hair removal process carries on where you left off. We all know how important it is to make changes in our lives because of climate change and because of plastic pollution and chemical pollution, which destroys the life in these rivers and streams. So it's a good investment of your time, and I'll tell you what, my skin feels really, really nice. The Thanaka mixture brings the skin into great condition, and even if you have sensitive skin, you can use this process. There's more information on the website. It comes with full instructions, but if you have any questions, just give us a call. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and you've enjoyed our beautiful walk. So please like the video, share the video, and let your friends know. Thanks. See you next time.